is uh, how to join SA Osua Energy. So you need to register, and this is my income. With this I invest only 500 pesos for with 900 return in 100 days. But if you are a beginner, you have a privilege of 72 hours. You can get the recharge 500, amounting you can earn 4,860 in 180 days. It's one. But you need, if you recharge, you need to immediately recharge, and you can claim this 4,860, and you can earn within 180 days from your starting. And you can invite more friends direct with you can use your link accounts and your this one, share my link, copy link, and your friends will notify, and if the register the SA Energy and they will recharge, you can teach them to avail the 4,860 for only 500 pesos and return in 180 days. And you can withdraw from 100 amount to up. And this is a legit kind of business, and you can share this, and you can try now. If you want, just message one of your friends, even do this channel. This is for learning opportunity for a business. Thank you, and God bless. Mabuhay. Sa mga nais mag-business, ganito po ang pag-recharge. Once na kayo po ay nag-click sa link ng SOA o SA Energy, SA Technology, just put recharge, then amount 500 through your GCash account. You can recharge and immediately hanapin nyo po yung 4,860. In return, magkakaroon kayo ng income na 4,360. At yung maaari ding gusto ninyo, yung puhunan ninyo, mas ipaikot nyo pa. Kasi hindi ako nakapag-avail ng 4,860 because lumagpas po ako sa oras. Dapat po pala agad nag-avail ako dahil sa busy kasi, pero sinubukan ko pa rin yung nag-avail na lang ako nito. Wala namang mawawala. Ito namang inabil ko 500, 900 ang balik. Bali 100 day lang po ito. Meron akong 400. Bawi na lang kayo kung meron kayong ma-invite. Kasi meron namang privilege, kasi pag meron kayong ma-invite na dalawa, tapos sila, o maski isa lang sa kanila, nag-recharge, automatic, meron po kayong income doon. At maaari kayong maging manager 1. At dito ka na maka-avail sa 4,860 for only 300 pesos ang ma-recharge mo. You are qualified to rent sa generator na new manager 1. Exclusive po ito. Kung meron po kayong dalawang na-recruit, kahit isa lang ang nag-recharge. Yan po, maraming salamat.